In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for files you shared with certain people in Google Drive. This is perfect when you remember who you shared a file with, but not what it was called, and you want to pull it up fast without digging through folders. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Make sure you're signed into the right account, especially if you juggle work and personal profiles. At the top right, click the grid icon, the small square of 9 dots known as the Google Apps Launcher. From that menu, choose Drive. This opens your Google Drive home, where you can see your files and folders. At the top of Drive, click into the search bar. You'll see suggestions, but for precision, we're going to open Advanced Search. Look for the Search Options button or the Advanced Search link that drops down from the bar. This brings up a panel that lets you filter results more precisely. In the panel, find the owner setting and change it to Owned by Me. This is important because it narrows the results to files you created, which are the ones you typically control and share out. It helps you avoid seeing items that someone else shared with you. Next, locate the Shared to field. Click into it and start typing the person's name or their email address. As you type, Drive usually suggests matching contacts. Select the correct person from the suggestions to make sure the filter is exact. This works whether you shared the file as a viewer, commenter, or editor. With those filters set, click Search. Your results will update to show files you own that are shared with that specific person. You can open any file from here, adjust sharing if needed, or simply confirm what's already been shared. A few quick tips to keep this smooth. If you don't see expected results, double-check that you're in the correct Google account. Make sure the email is typed correctly, and remember that if a file was shared via a general link like anyone with the link, it won't be tied to a specific person in this filter. Also, if your list is long, you can sort the results by name or last modified to surface the most recent items first. That's it. By using the advanced search in Google Drive, setting owner to Owned by Me, and filling the Shared to field, you can instantly find exactly what you've shared with a specific person. No hunting required.